Welcome back to my channel. We are doing my long-awaited bedroom makeover video. So right now my room is pretty empty. Let me give you guys a quick tour. So I have a mirror in this corner, and then over here I have my vanity set up, and I have some makeup I need to organize, and then over here I have my little gaming chair. Actually, first things first is putting in a rug. So I ordered this beautiful rug. It's actually like a Barbie collab or something. It's like an ombre pink. So basically I'll bring you guys along and basically let's organize and get my room together today and, you know, make it look cute, make it a little self-care haven. By the way, everything that I'm showing today, I will link down below in my description. Make sure to check it out. And also special shout out to Brooklinen for sponsoring this video. So I'm really excited that they're sponsoring my bedroom makeover. Like, how exciting and fitting. I'll share more on that soon. All right, y'all. Like a karate kick. I hope this rug fits. I definitely didn't do my measurements. We're going on vibes here. We're going on vibes on this channel. All right, second roll, here we go. Little karate chop. Alrighty then. Looks like a yoga mat. Alright, you guys, here is the carpet. Look how beautiful it is. I actually found this carpet online a while ago, and me and Remy both bought it. She has this in her glam room, but I thought this would be perfect for my bedroom because my bed is white, and I feel like it'll give it like a cool aura effect. Yes, okay, I think for these carpets, you're supposed to roll them. This somewhat flat first, and then roll her up. I think you're supposed to roll it. At least that's what the instructions said, but you know, we don't really read instructions here. Okay, maybe this was a bad idea. Oh wow, she is gorgeous. Look at her. It's like this beautiful aura color. My bed's gonna look so good on this. Now, time to bring my bed in. All right, you guys. Let's get the foundation in. Oh, it's upside down. Since this is massive, I feel like it will definitely help smooth the carpet too, so. Okay. Bed. Here. All right. I actually have like a cloud bed dupe, so I'm gonna bring in the headboard and the body. All right, you guys. Headboard. Locking in. Next is this. This just pops right on the foundation. This just goes around. Okay, now the headboard's a little off. All right, guys, you know what? I realized when I was putting the carpet down, it didn't look quite right, but I did love it so much that I got conflicted, okay? And I realized I put the carpet the wrong way. It definitely was supposed to go horizontal, so I just switched it. Let me show you guys. Makes so much more sense. And then the bed will go in the middle, and then this pretty thing will be more visible too. So I just quickly move my bed to the side over there. Brooklinen sent me their linen collection sheets. Look at how gorgeous these are. I feel like I'm getting like a designer purchase because the box alone is just so bougie. They also sent me their super plush towels. I needed new towels in my apartment, so I'm so excited that they sent me these. We'll definitely be using these. Let me wash these sheets and then get them on my bed, and I can show you guys what it looks like. You guys, look how beautiful my bed looks with the carpet in. I just put all the sheets on. These are some beautiful sheets that I got from Brooklinen. Like literally, it feels like a cloud. I have my little seal plushie in here and 2 pillows. I don't like too many pillows, so I only have 2 pillows because my neck hurts if I use too many. As you guys know, I had black linen sheets before, but the white looks so much nicer. You guys, I'm excited to announce that I am partnering with Brooklinen. If you guys did not know, Brooklinen is a luxury sheet company. They create high quality goods to elevate your home and, you know, bring the bouginess. And also what I love about their sheets, because I got the linen collection, is every time they get washed, they get softer. So literally over time, it's just going to get softer and softer and just like melt. I'm a person that literally washes my sheets every week. So I needed something that would last and something more high quality because I kept getting like cheaper sheets and they would literally fall apart. Also, as you guys know, I'm in my self-care era, and taking care of your home and your space is the ultimate form of self-care, and you spend a lot of your time asleep anyway. So you want to make it the ultimate luxurious experience, you know, for your mental health, for your well-being, for your wellness. So what I got was Brooklinen's linen hardcore sheet bundle. So linen is the lightest, most breathable fabric, so that was really important to me. And since I live in California, it's really hot days and cool nights, so it's very breathable. Also, you guys, you can shop for your Brooklinen bundle from the comfort of your home. You can literally mix and match 20+ colors and patterns for the linen core set, extra pillowcases and duvet cover. So Brooklinen is offering you guys $20 off any order that is over $100. All you guys have to do is click the link in my description and use my code OllieAbbas and just insert it in like the promo code area, and you guys will get that little hookup. You guys, I am obsessed with my bed. It looks so good. All right, guys, we're moving in the nightstands. All right, you guys, the nightstands are in. Remy had these nightstands in her storage unit, and she was like, Ollie, you should totally take these for your apartment. I feel like they'll totally fit your aesthetic, and you know, they're just collecting dust in there. So she generously loaned me them, and look how nice they look in my room. Also, the sunset is literally so insane right now, but how pretty. I also like that you can kind of see the rug in the mirrored part of the nightstands, but let me start adding things to the nightstand. That is one of the most important parts of a nightstand, is the accessories. The next most important thing, my alarm clock and a rose quartz crystal, because we're trying to manifest love in 2024. Hello, you guys. It is the next morning and the room is halfway done. I just need to put my makeup in the vanity, but I wanted to show you guys a quick overview of how everything looks right now. Okay, so I feel like the mirror totally doesn't fit the vibe anymore, so I have to swap out this mirror. I'm loving the nightstands and the rug. It looks so cute, and I love my bed, and the sheets were so cozy last night. And then obviously over here is my vanity, and then I have a box of my makeup I need to put inside. And then over here, I have my standing desk and my iMac that I need to put on the desk. I actually got some pegboards. I don't know what I want to put on these walls. I might put some like art on this side and then like the pegboard stuff here. But I don't know. I could like truly make this into the work nook. Let me know your thoughts, you guys. Also, this wall could totally have a TV, but I don't necessarily want a TV in my room. So I might get like a really small frame TV eventually, but it's definitely not on my priority list. So I think we should start refilling. I hope you guys can see me well. I'm not sure how the lighting is. I have all my makeup here in this box. So let's start putting her away. I think I should put everything on the table first, and then we can quickly go from there. I'm going on a birthday trip with Remy to a very, very cold place. After I'm done with this, I'm leaving for that trip. So I decided to just get a head start on what I'm wearing. All right, you guys, we are officially organized. This is how it's looking so far. So we have a NARS corner, Fenty, Patrick Todd. These are just some of my favorite brands. I need to open up a few more boxes and add some more brands to this, but right now it looks pretty decent. Let me know how you guys organize your makeup, but I also don't want this to look too cluttered. So let me know your thoughts.